just got hit here a little bit early now.
So, imamic lang natin yung chest. Hey everyone! So today, this is me once again, Ashna, and today we're going to be documenting what will be happening today. So actually, Sir was not here yet. And it was actually late to be instructed to us that late wasn't coming today. And I think there will be a makeup classes today. Maybe on Friday, right? We're going to be having makeup classes for managerial economics. Hi Sir! Shout out Sir! So after this one, you will be having our advanced accounting by Sir Paul. But before that, they just ordered coffee, and then suddenly, as you can see, Von is already reading something about Plato. Is it actually right if I pronounce Plato as Plato or Plato as Plato? So, we're gonna be asking some of my sitmates what... Why are you guys laughing, bro? Hi, Sophie! Hi, Riza! So, this is how our room looks like kasi nga, tawag dito, what should I call it? Wala si Sir. So, yung iba, traffic pa, yung si ate naman yung dito sa kanila is, kukuha pa daw siya ng big part since wala din naman si Sir. Pero may makeup class. Sir, pag nakita mo to ignore mo na lang. Yan. So far, ano yung parang, you know, what do you think about accounting? Bakit ganun? Formal interview. So, we're gonna be asking them what are their thoughts of choosing accounting and how does it feel so far? Oh, guys, okay na yun. Any other opinion will be accepted. To me, I'm actually not good in accounting. That's why I chose this certain course to actually enhance. But so far, okay lang. They keep on hiding. Okay, great. It will help our future efforts in accounting. Yung video? Yeah. Yung video lang. Nakulong ka sa atin. Kayo dyan. Talaga, iba pala interview. Okay. So actually guys, some of them were asking why PSBA? Why PSB? Why PSBA? Okay. Why have you choose PSBA?
Kasi recommended siya ng nanay ko. Kasi recommended siya ng tatay ko.
No, kasi sila, yung parents sila is both accountants. Ako naman, hindi ko din alam kasi, mahirap ako, matawag dito, may ina ako sa pera. Ba't ka nga nag-accounting? Ba't ka nag-accounting? Accounting. The YPSP.
Ba't ako nag-accounting?
Mamaya nag-isilipat kami kasi, tawag dito, meron kaming practice today for NSTP. And we're gonna move our chairs here. Since wala si Sir, so this will be our time to actually practice. So that would be Andre. Jay, may ano ako sa'yo? May tanong ako sa'yo para mamaya na. Ay! Since malapit tayo, so i-interviewin natin sila guys. Para I know it will help you a lot in the future. So, let's go. Guys, di shy, camera shy talaga sila. Pero, sino kaya interviewin natin? Di kasi mamaya, di ba mataas? Di ba sabi niyo sa ano? Bakit? Tulog si Hanso. Alam niyo ba? This one, all of us was not able to purchase the book by Queen Valiana. Am I right? Wala kayo. Pero meron silang kay Balix. Kaya kung mag-review kami, kung may libro kayo, Chinese. Pero meron sila guys. And meron din PDF. So, it's about to practice na. Bye guys! So this is the thing that is actually currently happening on us. That's it. And then they're actually practicing this practice just like what I told you earlier. And I'm actually sweating a lot. Alam mo ba, nag-oil control ako. Patingin mo, effective yung oil control powder. Oo. Eh? Bakit? Tapos, wala, documents. Tapos, ano? Oil control, effective. Diba? Hindi ako yung oily skin ako, be, kaya dishwashing yung ano ko dito. Diba? So, in terms of the okay. Excuse me po. Nagpa-photocopy po. Balikan ka na lang po. Thank you po. Thanks po dito. Ganyan din po. Thank you po. Magkano po yan, ate?
3 pesos lang.
Sige po.
Isang outlet po.
Yung isa po dyan, back to back.
Ay, nag-error po kami.
Sige po. Bale, 36912 pesos po. Thank you po. So, in contrast of the thing that was actually told to us that we needed to actually have a photocopy of our RAF and at the same time with a certificate as per the completion and NSTB. Hi po! Hi Kuya! So, I just told it that in contrast of it, it's actually 3 pesos each. So, we will be having 12 pesos. 3 pesos daw. Give me 3 pesos. So, it's 3 pesos because the other one is back to back. So, it's a 4 copies. Yes. Don't mind my chubby cheeks. That's it. Hi guys! Hi everyone!
Hello!
Hey, do you have a question pala? Why did you choose PSB for BSA?
Kasi hindi siya, TRISEM. Hindi daw siya TRISEM.
Okay. So I just finished in the printing station and then we're gonna give it to mom and let's see if still gonna accept this one because, you know, the last submission of this one is last meeting and unfortunately I forgot my wrap. Thank you po. Fortunately, I forgot my wrap. And now we have this one. And we're gonna go to mom. Let's see if she still actually, you know, accept this. So, we're gonna be looking for academic. This is the Dean Office. Wish me luck, Chetos. Unfortunately, wala si mom. Di ko alam kung asan si mom din. Pero, I don't know if still can be passed today. Please, mom. See it on us. So, it's actually our break after our practice. Actually, this is our managerial economics time. But, since we will be having another time for it because sir wasn't able to come here. But actually, sir teaches us a lot in a good manner. And I vote for it. So that's really it. Bye. accounting, nag-accountancy. Yay! Another one. Dito ka na sa akin, ano. Actually, guys, nag-take ako ng videos, tapos, nakakonect sa microphone, wala tuloy siyang sound. Nabentahan ko sila, and then sila. Wow! Kasi yung isa kong take, wala siyang sound. Kaya, ay, naku, grabe naman yun. So, pakita naman sa inyo ito siya. Thank you! Wow! Ganito. Ilan best perfect score dito? Tingin?
Is this yours?
No. Virgos.
Ay, nice.
Ano ba tayo? Ilan to? 15? Perfect score yun. Yay! Ayun lang. MMW Mathematics. 15 nga daw yun. Dito lang talaga kami sa mathematics sa kaka-perfect. Sa accounting wala. Hi, ate. Pinakita dito sa ano natin, accounting. At explain mo sa kanila.
Explain mo sa akin.
Ganyan din naman.
Eto, ano ba? Ano ba explain?
Dito tayo sa ano natin, revenue. Di ba journalizing ka, di ba?
Parang ganun na nga. Para pag nilipat ko mas malaki.
Dito ko nalilito, dito sa 12 months.
Kasi di ba 1-year policy siya? Eh sabi dito, October 1 mo binili. Eh di ba 2025, pag nag-record tayo ng yung pang-FS, 2025 lang. And then October yan, yung mga natitirang buwan, mapupunta na sa 2026. Hindi mo na isasama yun. So dapat, October to December lang yung pwede mo kunin. Kaya 3 months. Eh, tinimes ko lang.
Bali 1, 2.
Okay. 4 times 3, 1. Tapos dito, ako sa NAER Johnson.
Nag-aaway sila, oh. Nag-aaway sila, guys.
Tapos, dito ko medyo nalilito sa G tsaka sa H.
Yung kamay ko, oh. Ito kaya nag-shake. Isang malaking sablay. Current situation right now. I-check natin kay ate ko. Balance. Kasi na-balance na siya. 28.536. Dito sa ano, SFI sa CA. Then, tingin nga na sa'yo, te. Dito sa ano, balance. Ano yung balance? 22,500. Ano yung reaction na pag-balance yung ano?
Siyempre masaya.
Kanina nagalit si ate. Yay! We made it! So, ayun sila. Natahimik na sila kanina, nagdi-debate silang lahat. It's time to rewrite it in pen. Tara! Yay! Done. Good luck, ate. Basta kami. Okay lang. Ito yung after answering sheets. Separation, okay lang. ano. Wala. Uy, mali. Grabe ah. Disappoint me. Uy, alam. Saya ng balance namin.
So, sa ending ako sisipable mo, 2% count ka, kung possible na hindi mo na collect na 1 million. Hindi ka mag-base ng ending allowance.
Kanina, may isang account na pamali kami doon. Tapos mali na lahat. What would you say? Tagalog yun ba?
Vlog niya yan.
Ano sabi mo?
Be, mugshot ba to, be?
Ano yung feeling?
Yung feeling, parang, wait lang, nasa dulo na ng dila ko eh.
Kasi 'di ba, most of accounts ganun din. So parang para ma-lighten din yung feeling nila. Ano masasabi niyo?
Alam mo,
Wait lang, nag-ano na siya eh.
ano yan eh, mabigat.
Oo.
Yung bigat na sa puwet to be.
Pero lilipas din daw yan.
Oo, lilipas.
It's all part of the lesson.
Ako lilipas ka.
Sige, lilipas. Bye-bye! Punta na kami. Tara! Nagpa-practice for CPR and then kami mauna na sa canteen. Hi guys! Siya guys. Init ba yun? Balls. Mozzarella balls from... Saan yan galing? Sa Crave Burgers. Init pa. Ay, di ba na yan? Yan mo yung parang Japanese cake. Yung Japanese pancake. Yan mo. Game mo. Yan mo dito. Wait lang. Ek. Wow! Guys, say hi to my vlog. Charis, hindi to vlog. Documentation lang. This is how college works in PSB. So currently, we are performing something for NSTP. Hi, Hannah! So we just finished our practice today and it's 4 and we're gonna be going to another room to actually continue our practice for NSTP. Bye! Dito kami sa kabilang room. Super sticky na namin guys.
Hoy, pero kanina ang ayos niyo.
Actually guys, it's really full.
Let's get loud, ah.
So the boys, the ones.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. Let's get loud. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's already 5 minutes. Almost 5 minutes. Starting on Mondays. Para magbabayad na lang ako guys. Pauwi na kami. Guys, say hi! Kamusta yung araw nyo ngayon?
Ayoko. Nakakapagod.
Okay. Kakapagod daw. Pero saan kayo mas na-disappoint?
Lahat.
Lahat? Yeah.
Ikaw.
Okay, and this is what it looks like outside. And that's it. We just finished our breakfast. Hi, Gab. It's actually 5:13, so the expected time to actually know. And the practice is actually 5:30 and it's earlier than that, and that's actually great because there's a rush hour here and I don't know where they are, but we just got separated because you know things matter. Hi!
Saan ka uwi?
Hmm?
Saan ka uwi?
Laan?
Anong daan mo ba?
Ha?
Anong daan mo?
Kalsada. Bye guys! Siya masyadong rush hour ngayon, maybe mamaya. Pero sometimes talagang super rush hour. Depende lang sa time.